Does the fridge light stay on when you shut the fridge? Let's see. So first, does it stay on? Okay. One sec. Okay, so I'm now in my room. The question for does the fridge light stay on? It's been asking, people have been asking that since like ever since it was invented, like I think that was in like 1753 or something. You know, fridges and if they open or not. Well, the answer is no, they don't stay on. They don't stay on. So anyway, guys, I'm just here to say that I'm going to be doing more videos, but at the minute the charger from PS3 pad, I only have enough charge to watch YouTube on my thingamajig PS3, and soon I'll be getting Xbox, so yeah. And this is just a quick video, so peace.